Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy Pepe Coin on Bybit. Alright, so your first step in buying the Pepe Coin on your Bybit centralized exchange is make sure you open up Bybit. Once you've opened up Bybit, make sure you have an account. If you do not have an account on Bybit, by using our link in the description of the video, you stand a chance to claim 5,020 USDT worth of welcome gifts and bonuses when you register using our link and verify your account. Alright guys, with your verified account, how can you buy the Pepe Coin? Alright, this is quite easy. So where we have deposit or buy with fiat or P2P, click on this option. You're then shown the P2P trading option, buy with your MasterCard or deposit crypto. So if you hold USDT tokens, Ethereum tokens, or any tokens outside of Bybit, you could deposit them here and convert into USDT to buy the Pepe Coin. If you do not have that, click on the buy with USD or click on the P2P trading option. So if you click on any of these options, you could simply buy cryptocurrency such as USDT via the P2P option, which is rather simple. There are tutorial videos to show you how to get that done here. So once you've acknowledged this, let's say you want to buy some US dollar, you're in the United States, all you need to do is click on buy and then provide your payment option. They will provide the payment option and you pay into their account and they will confirm, and then you have your USDT. All right, so with your USDT at hand, head to the assets menu, click on your funding account, and you'll find the USDT you had bought from the P2P trading here. And then all you need to do is simply click on markets, click on trade, and then click on the Pepe USDT to simply search for Pepe. And then click on Pepe USDT spot. And then where we have a limit, we're going for a market order, which helps us buy at the current price. So click on market. And then all you need to do is enter an amount of USDT and then click on buy. By doing this, you can simply buy your USD. You can simply buy your Pepe coins onto your wallet and head to the assets menu, click on unified trading, and you'd find them here. So guys, that's how it's done. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.